In this video, I tried to install chromeOS Flex on my HP laptop, and it goes horribly wrong. I wanted to try it, but I ended up wiping the water drive. Watch and find it. The installation media has been created, and now I can plug her into the laptop. Oh my god, shut up. Then with this, we'll escape. Yes. Alright, so F11 is system recovery because I do not have the BIOS password. Then get the hard drive because something special is happening with that. Alright, so use the device. If I holy hell. Last time I done this, it was with Windows 10. Then I realised I could just reset it from this, it was a waste of time. But let's us see. Oh, what is that? Is that the shell? The kernel? I've only used chromeOS on like an actual Chromebook. That is on a Windows. The screen's really dirty. It's been sitting around collecting dust for age of holy sh. Or at least warn me when you do that, man. Jesus. I'm the Chrome one. I did the famous thing. Oh, I remember that little mouse icon. Try it first. Keep your OS and run Chrome. Because the thing is, if I delete my whole OS, then I need to figure out the BIOS password, which I don't know. Wait, and now we're checking for updates. Nice. To be honest with you, this is like running really, really well, surprisingly. Well, it's not unsurprisingly, but wait, what you can, well, like, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is good, because it's like so lightweight. You can install some like really old stuff and it'll work. Can you install some like a Windows XP thing? That'd be fun to know. Just sign into my Google account. I don't know if this will connect to my TV or not. About to see if this can handle a HDMI cable. Go. Holy crap. So it's just white gradient, but it's giving us life at least. Loading Google Assistant right now. Wi-Fi is too crap. My Wi-Fi is too crap to set up Google Assistant, so what's that turning blue? Because it automatically done auto. Let's switch themes at sunrise and say light theme. Maybe dark theme. Actually, maybe just all. Yeah, so my Wi-Fi, no, it's not good. Yes! Just realised. Oh, it's like Windows, they have a project. But there's like a button to like, it says monitor. So we can mirror this. And then, you can see. Nice. See how smooth this would run on it. Oh, am I already logged in? Oh, the shit. Yeah, I might just show my email. Great. Well, it's not an account I use anyway, so it still shows it there. Google right here. So try to reveal everything. And then, good, what the alright, so how does Windows not do this? That's weird. Can you work, please? Screencast, terminal, scan, print jobs. Why did you put jobs at the end? Text, terminal. When I used a Chromebook, I didn't have a gallery. It was never there, I think it was just files. App. Yeah, it was just that. So like, why is that though? You can even detect the camera. Go. I put the Chromebook to sleep. I'm calling this a Chromebook already, but it's not turning back on. To turn it fully off there now. Gee, great. Chromebook experience. Oh, I'm gonna do a lot. Jesus. It's actually giving no sign of life now. The lights aren't turning on. This is bad. Never mind, it just came on, The light came on, The light. BIOS. Get the USB back. Again. I actually thought it was fucking dead. Like, it gave no sign of life. BIOS is taking an unusually long time to start. It just says escape, pause, start. Hello. It's actually working now, surprisingly. Yeah, F11, let's go. So, I think that's how I'm going to try installing it into this. It's not 4 AM, so I can actually talk about this without, feeling horrible. This laptop, I was going to try to get it to take this and install chromeOS Flex on it. This backfired horribly, and you'll see how. I've already explained how, but it is horrible how it happened. What I had failed to realise was it is a portable drive. The way the installers work, it usually just takes, sometimes it doesn't ask you, and it just takes the main drive because that's the one you're gonna most likely be using. So, that was bad on my part because I was fucking dumb about it. So, yeah. Because I tried petitioning and driving all over to give me 4 gigabytes. Are you actually joking? So, yeah. By the way, there's a 100 gigabyte hard drive in this. And it would only offer me 4 gigabytes. Like, are you actually joking? Are you taking the piss? To be honest, it's taking a long time. I just saw a command prompt window open there. But there we go. That is what I'm talking about. Then we do that if EFI USB device. Then we wait. We wait and wait for this to actually work. Please just say chromeOS Flex. Please just say chromeOS Flex. Please. Please. Yes. I think it saved the login onto the USB because it still has a, it's not installed chromeOS, but it's installed the profile. Saddest update. It has wiped my hard drive. Great. Right, so I didn't record how this happened, but how this happened was I was trying to download it. I pressed download and it said it was wiping the hard drive. I immediately turned the laptop off, turn it back on. BIOS says there's no operating system on it. Also, that system recovery thing, yeah, that just boots from USB. But now, chromeOS does system recovery, but it doesn't do a recovery thing, just boots like normal, so it's really annoying, and yeah. I might be able to salvage the OS. Never goddamn mind. It's chromeOS now. God damn it. Yanked the USB out and it stopped. Because apparently the only reason it done that was because I had a USB in and it has no OS. I need to put chromeOS on this now. My life is amazing. I'm just gonna do it on chromeOS. God damn it, Google. This is how you win me over. I hate that I keep having to do voice memos, but here we are. But the reason I didn't install Windows again was because the last time I tried to install Windows on it, like a fresh copy, I didn't have the drivers for it and I couldn't find them anywhere. So either way, I'm screwed. So I just gave in to chromeOS for now. For now, I'm going to try and get something working in the future. Because I'm not living off chromeOS, that would suck. Just browsing, that would be horrible. I wouldn't even be able to install anything, god damn it. I swear to god, that like corrupted the for a second. Anyway, I need to install it now. Amazing. The thing is that you don't need to, the only good thing is you don't need to activate it. That's my one good thing about this. It can't download Android apps though, and I don't know about Linux. It works on normal Chromebooks, but I don't know about Flex. chromeOS Flex. Oh no. Found out Linux is disabled on this. I can't download anything. What I mean by it corrupts. That doesn't look good. Oh yeah, I feel like I should explain why I'm back in this, because this is after recording everything. It's because I need to convert the files because they're all WebM. My phone can't read WebM files, so I need to put these into MP4s or MOVs, so yeah. That's the only reason. Also, do you like my background? I love it. Well, we're stuck on Chrome now. I can't even get Linux because this doesn't support it. Not supported, and then you don't have Google Play on here, so you're literally left in nothing. Like, actually nothing you can do here. So we're gonna try to see what you can do here. Oh yeah, I enabled the dev mode. I just want Windows back. Okay, games. These are all going to be actually horrible. Of course, add up. Hurry up, Google. Of course I have to do that. Oh my Christ. There's no volume to I can hear the fans. No, I don't want your Steam page. Go away. Oh my Christ. Oh my God. That was horrible. That hurt my ears so much. I don't know what you can do in chromeOS, because I know I had a Chromebook in ages. I gave it to my sister and she broke it instantly. Because she like took the hinges off the screen and then it just kind of collapsed and ripped apart. But, you know, I don't see anything, you know. What can you actually do on this thing? I mean, I guess you can like use Discord and stuff, but yeah. Wait. This is when I had this Google account on the actual Windows operating system. I was actually thinking about Hackintoshing this, but it has like the worst specs to be related to a Macintosh. So why does it tell you the short video? I just threw. Does that mean like 4 p.m.? Yeah, it means 4:04 p.m. There's literally nothing to do on this. Games on web. Well, one thing I do know you can do, if I can spell. You can actually do Xbox Cloud Gaming if you wanted to. I could actually showcase this because I have Game Pass, but I really don't want to log into anything on this. Do I need to? Oh, goddamn. Well, I will be back. Oh, you'll need. I'm not played Xbox in this account. No. Probably. Oh god damn it. If you could hear that, that was a laptop falling. I got a joke. But the bad thing is, I don't know if this can detect the Bluetooth chip. Not like I don't know if it has a Bluetooth driver. Did the batteries just die on me though? It flashes and then just dies. Got it working. Question is, will it find it? Apparently not. Okay. We need to find the second solution. Like, that's probably a bad idea with Max. So, yeah, there's actually no games I can imagine. So. It's like anything you can do in chromeOS. It just seems so bland. The only good thing about this is that it has a art app. So like, that's like kinda good, I guess. Here's what I think of chromeOS.